Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Golden Off-Road. This is Sergio here at Golden Motors, the Southeast's largest lifted truck dealership. Today we've got this stunning Jeep Wrangler 4x4 being built out for a customer. Again guys, we're not just a dealership, we're also a full custom shop. If you guys got any questions, let us know. Give us a call at 803-808-5235 or look us up online at goldenmotorsonline.com. On this great Jeep, we're going to have the Rough Country's 2.5-inch suspension lift kit. That includes front and rear coil springs with a linear coil rake that promotes incredible handling on and off-road. This Jeep will also be sporting the Hilo 18x9s with 35 12x50 Nitto Ridge grapplers. This spectacular Jeep is also getting new brake pads and a Jeep spare tire spacer to accommodate these great tires. If you guys got any questions about any type of lift kits on your vehicles, give us a call at 803-808-5235 or look us up online at goldenmotorsonline.com. If you guys like this lift kit, please let us know. Give us a call and see what we can do to help you out. Thanks guys. Keep watching, hit like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next episode.